Lada pidai ubrio ubalong handbag kani ka video kamdai na kamta jongki. Bah kani ka video ngan kren ya ki topik ki balong juat ban ki balong aduh kata-kata ban ktah ban ngut. Kan ktah aru khyndiat ya ka society ka bangi em. Namar ngi ki kan hun kasi penari. Ni wan na kani ka jat breu ka bangi ai jat ka kami matrilineal. So we don't be hakani ka struggle. We wrestle with this conundrums ka bangin ong ba who's the boss in marriage, you know, takadang show ban sang video ngala bong lada pilong handbag lada piting itanga. This video is not for you. Kani ka video kadai tang na kamta ki to ki kanthe ki ba kwa utanga uba model ukres, but kadai tang na kamta ki to ki shinang ki ba kwa katanga ka ba model ya ka balang ningkong nga kwa ban kren ya ki family member jong ka kanthe haba pi dieno ikijaka puta. But kini kita try jaka kiba thamai kita building hakatoka property kabaki kilat hit show pin I advice kini kita yu thamai shina kum tai ya kata kai yang kajongki pin man perkhat bhashi spasi namar pim dei shu kita ki property owner kum tahi ka daga bak ngai use ya kani ka analogy nga ko abang pi haba phila ai ya ka khun kajong pi sha unu ubreu bakan long kata Schwaba pin I advice ya kani ka khun ka jong phi ka bade ka kur ka jong phi da parkhat bha shi spa sin da parkhat bha namar ba she is not your property anymore. Kala de ka property jong tanga ka kan thai hi ka de ka property jong tanga ki babun kin ong kum nu kum ta ki kan thai kin ong I'm not my husband property ka efsas ka ong ba ka tanga ka de ban submit LD hau tanga kum ba ka submit LD hau try phi utanga o jong phi uri property jong uji sukres ubalong kanrat ujong kum tahi ma phi philong ka property ka jong utanga ubalong kanrat ujong phi. That's how marriage works. Every culture na phi kan babat biang kan tam ni ema kan ka postmodern society ha ka ba ni strive ya kan ka independencies ni strive ya kan ka polarities hapoh marriage kan baban priang ya kan shababan priang. Second topic ka bangang kwa ban kren kadai halor ka double income kani ka double income ka destroy no ya to divine model ka penjat ban prano ya to ka model jong ka Shongkha ka Shongman ka ba Blei ai perkhat ma phi ni don separate bank account ha ka Shongkha ka Shongman ikum ba kani ka bank account kala long kum ka taka feel safe yo bunur kumno ka marriage ka feel utnga udan la ka jong ka bank account ka tanga kala don la ka jong ka account it's not even under one headship anymore. Ki buni ki longiing ki dan bank account lain sautuli. Ngasu thu kata. Ni dan kam namar ba kat kum ka juk kat kum ka jingyat kene ka juk ka jungi ki jingrem ru ki abun. Ki school ki la rem nakam ta ki khun medical fees you know it's accruing to its height, to its peaks. The kadang kam hi kani ka double income ha ka jukam ta. I understand your argument. I really understand your argument. It has become a fail safe thing. It has become a fail safe. Kani ka jingrem jong kani ka juk ka mamanta kala justify ya ka double income. Kala justify ya ka jinglong jingdon jong ki lightly ki bank balance here. I have no problem with 2-3 bank account here. Hynrei, it seems but there's a lack of trust in marriage. Ini jing or pat iyo busut ka Shongkha ka Shongman ha ka ba ka deko na ka jingya shanya iwi nakata ka daw ong lupai phi kani ka advice kani tang nakam ta ki breu ki ba wat ya utanga uba model yu Chris but ya ubreu uba wat ya katanga ka ba model ya ka balang. This is not for everyone. You should not have any trust issues in your marriage. Nakadai ka pisa ka kwat ka anything, you should trust each other. Katanga ka di man trust utanga ko maka trust hau Chris utanga uri man trust ka da ko ba Chris trust ka balang. So what's the solution? What's the solution? The two shall become one. Ki ar kislang kaway. You know ha ka Shongkha ka Shongman ki ar ki man sim kislang kaway. Let your finances, the two finances ka ba phi don come into one headship. Ay bakan one ha kaway ka headship. Lada pidai gitu ki kan thai ki ba ang kumno ngan kamay mga ngan ay bun punya utanga jonga under his headship. You're not looking for a husband that model Christ. You're looking for independency. These are some hard advice. Lada pi priang lada pimla ban priang inai priang lada pidi ushendang ubalong handbag. I know it's gonna be really hard for you. Lada pidi ka kanthe ka ba kwa ban long you know liberal hadu kata it's gonna be really difficult for you. Kani hi kadai tang nakam tai kito kiba. Those people who really seek a biblical marriage. See, what's the point of seeking biblical marriage if you don't believe in the Bible? If you don't believe in the Bible, what's the point of seeking biblical advice in marriage? Seek some worldly advice. What advice on kapatay? What advice on the culture? You need a cultural marriage or a societal marriage, but not a biblical marriage. Lara pilong ta? Go ahead. And I can day tang nam ta ki Shongman Khristan, and I feel by it's the need of the moment. So here's the video, and ngangit pilayo jingkyrkhu katu kani na kani video Blei Un Kyrkhu ya ka Shongkha ka Shongman ka jingpei. God bless you.